Okay, this is number 36 in section 7.3. Now what we have is, it looks like a nice easy equation, but we have a 4 inside now. We still want to solve for x, but we have to deal with that 4 inside. And we have secant of 4x equals 2. Again, if we don't like secant, just to see it more clearly, let's convert this into cosine. Again, secant is just 1 over cosine. So cosine of 4x would just be the reciprocal of 2 over 1, which would be 1/2. Okay, if we look at our trig bit sheet, we want to see, again, where cosine of x equals 1/2. That's going to be at pi over 3, and that'll also be at 5 pi over 3. Okay, but instead of saying x equals pi over 3 or x equals 5 pi over 3, when I have this inside here, it's now going to be 4x equals pi over 3, or 4x equals 5 pi over 3. Okay, and then normally we would write, again, we would write the period out too. So we would normally say x equals pi over 3 plus 2n pi. Now we're going to say 4x equals pi over 3 plus 2n pi. And then we'll also say here 4x equals 5 pi over 3 plus 2n pi. So again, this is just the same kind of equations, but now instead of saying x equals this, now we're saying 4x equals this. Again, we have the 2 pi because the period is normally 2 pi, and we would have pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Okay, but now we want to solve for x. So what we're going to do is we have a 4x. We're going to divide everything by 4. So I'm going to have x equals pi over 12 plus n pi over 2. Okay, I skipped it there again. If I divide by 4, that's just 3 times 4 on the bottom. That'd be 12. And then 2 over 4 reduces to 1/2. So that's why we have over 2. Okay, and be the same thing over here. X equals, okay, so think about what we did over here. We'd have 5 pi over 12 plus n pi over 2. So it's similar answers to what we did before, but you can see the deal with the 4 inside the cosine. All we did is we divide everything by 4. So that's that last step there.